Hey guys, so welcome to my channel. So today we are not going to do something Python or thing. Let's do today some chat kind of thing with Python. Like we are doing a lot of coding stuff, and I was like, why? Let's do something else. So let's move on. And today I'm going to do some kind of chat thing with Python. Like you can show it to your friends and make them blow off their minds. So before doing that, let me open my screen recorder so that I can do it. So now we are in our phone. So the first thing we will do is we will install Python. So first go to termux, and then we will set up termux to access our internal storage. And then I will go to storage, and then I will go to shared name or file named shared. So here I am in the shared directory, and you can see its content. And then I will do tmx split, and so here we have did a tmx split. And now what I would try to do is I would try to use Python. For now what I'm going to do is I'm going to run python -m and then http.server, and so it has got started at port 8000. And now I would check my IP address, and here it is. So first thing what you have to do is you have to connect to your Wi-Fi, and let connect me. So okay, so here it is. So now we are connected to our Wi-Fi, and now what we are going to do is we are going to go to our IP address, and it is 192.0.0.4, and then our port name. So here you can see, like, basically what we have did is we are using our phone's storage as our file server. So now let's try to download something. So I will download this little Happyland Linux ISO, and I will save it to here. So we have done downloading, and now let's check it. So now you can see basically what we have did is we have downloaded a 2.5 gigs of ISO within some seconds. So these are some cool tricks that you can do with your Python. And what you can understand is that basically whatever things we think like it is supposed to do just this thing, and sometimes it blows our mind, like, oh yeah, you can do such kind of things too with it. So that's all for this video, and I will see you next time.